What's up guys, Zach here. So the highly anticipated Nokia 9 PureView is expected to go official through the Mobile World Congress 2019 tech event. Ahead of its launch, a leaked render of the Nokia's upcoming flagship has been surfaced today to reveal key details of its design. The Nokia 9 PureView render revealed that it will be sporting a tail aspect ratio notchless display. However, the upper and lower bezels of the phone are thick. The top bezel is the home for an earpiece, a selfie camera, and the company's brand name. The AMOLED screen of the Nokia 9 PureView is embedded within display fingerprint scanner. If we moving to the back side of the Nokia 9 PureView, it is the Pentel lens setup that are arranged in 5 cutouts. The Pentel lens system includes various kinds of sensor such as RGB, monochrome, telephoto, wide angle, and 3D TOF sensors. Past reports have revealed that the Nokia 9 PureView will be featuring a 5.9-inch display that carries the support for full Quad HD plus resolution. It is expected to offer an aspect ratio of 18:9.